In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize notifications in your app for a more personalized experience. Whether you're receiving messages from colleagues or being alerted about meetings, tweaking your notification settings can make a big difference in managing your digital life. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your app and look for your profile picture. This is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the main screen. Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu or an overview pane depending on the app you're using. This is a central hub of sorts, giving you access to various account and app settings. In this menu, look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will bring you to another screen filled with a variety of ways you can tailor the app to suit your needs. The Settings panel is generally where all the magic happens when it comes to personalizing your experience. One of the categories you'll see in the settings is Notifications. Notifications can be powerful tools for keeping up with important messages, yet they shouldn't become a source of distraction or stress. By clicking on Notifications, you'll open up a host of options specifically relating to alerts you receive. Once you're in the Notifications section, you can customize alerts for different scenarios such as messages, mentions, and meetings. For messages, consider how you want to be alerted. Maybe a simple sound or a pop-up notification suffices for most, while others might prefer a silent mode when they're in meetings or focused work sessions. The choice is entirely yours. When it comes to mentions, these could be moments where you're called out specifically in a group chat or email. You might prefer to tweak the settings here so certain mentions get more noticeable or pronounced alerts. It never hurts to be sure you're looped in when someone needs your immediate attention. Meetings are another critical area to adjust as well. Depending on how you manage your calendar, you might want notifications well ahead of time, reminding you to prepare or leave for another location. Or perhaps you prefer just a quick ping 5 minutes before the meeting starts. Ensuring that your meeting notifications fit your schedule will help you stay organized without being overwhelmed by too many alerts. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate notifications entirely, but to create a balance that works best for you. Play around with these settings until you find that sweet spot where you're informed but not inundated with information. This approach to customizing notifications can greatly enhance your productivity and peace of mind. By taking a few minutes to tailor these settings, you'll ensure that you remain attentive to what truly matters in your work or personal communications. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.